y'all, guess what we're doing?
Going shopping?
Yes, we're going shopping. You ready to be recorded?
No.
You ready to be on my YouTube channel?
No, not really. I look like a rat.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here with my friend Autumn, as you guys saw. So in today's video, we are going Instacart shopping for the first time. We're trying to move out, trying to get a little bit of money. So yeah, we're trying out Instacart and figured we'd bring y'all along and show you guys the process. So we're starting at 2:30 p.m. We're not sure how many batches we're gonna get today, but we're just gonna go for it and see what we can get. So let's just go ahead and get right into the video. Hey guys, so we just made it to Kroger. Autumn's gonna go first. Thank God. I'm nervous for you. I've never done anything like this before. But yeah, we also have these cool little things that we got in the mail, so that's pretty neat. Anyways, so let's go ahead and go inside. We're gonna put our masks on and probably go to the bathroom and wash our hands before we start grabbing things. So we're not gonna wear gloves. We're just gonna keep washing our hands. And we have this huge thing of hand sanitizer we're gonna bring in too. So yeah.
Blue bunny.
You want to do ice cream and frozen stuff last?
It looks like all of them are frozen except for these things.
Okay, so let's go ahead and I guess get.
So it actually tells us. It says aisle 8, shelf 4 from the bottom.
Oh, that's really neat.
So these two things are on aisle 8. We're on aisle
15. Is that it?
Yep.
Oh wow, it's pretty easy. And then just put 3. Pretty neat. We're in a dilemma right now. They don't have the tissues that she's wanting, so we're trying to see if she doesn't mind swapping the one she was wanting for these.
She said okay on the tissues.
A few moments later.
Awesome, so now we're gonna go check out. That's nice. Yeah. I think that's. Yeah, plus it was like, it seems so normal to them to spin it. Yeah. Wow, it's hot. I feel my makeup slipping off my face. First Instacart batch done. Alright guys, that was our first batch done. How do you feel, Autumn?
Hot.
Me too. Let's get the AC on. Guys, so we just pulled up to the house and Autumn's getting the groceries out right now. We were instructed to put it on the porch. And yeah. Oh, she's walking on the grass. No, Autumn. She's gonna take a picture. Alright guys, so I just made it back to the Kroger and just started my order, although I accidentally selected a double batch order. Never done one. I'm sweating a lot, but yeah, so I'm probably not going to be able to record much. But yeah, so that's just a little update. Alright guys, so I finished my 2 batches. I couldn't record anything because I was on a timer and I was focusing a lot. Went ahead and stopped and got something to eat. Got some tropical, what is this? Tropical Smoothie Cafe. Good.
Later that same evening.
Alright guys, so we went ahead and went to another Kroger, so we're gonna do at least one more batch. We might do a few more, we don't know yet, just see what comes up, so yeah.
Oh, you're recording. How was this? Yeah, cool. You don't need the party size.
Awesome. I feel like this isn't bad, like $10 or $9 for 5 items.
It's actually like 11.
Dragging something. Oh. Oh my God.
It's like 11 something.
Oh, that's not bad. Making sure to tell the customer hi and introduce ourselves and stuff like that. Awesome. Saying that it can't recognize the salmon, so we're gonna keep trying it or see if she wants to swap that one for maybe this one. Now we're just waiting in line to check out. Alright, got the stuff. Now we're gonna go ahead and drive to the customer. Ah yes, and my umbrella was never seen again. Alright, so Autumn just grabbed the stuff, and this time they're on the porch, so she's very shy. Okay, so she forgot to take a picture. Apparently it needed her to take a picture of the groceries, so now she's having to go back over there. Poor Autumn, it's really awkward. It is 8:45 p.m. and we're gonna go ahead and call it a day. We got 4 batches done, so I think that was a pretty good start for our first day. How much did we end up making total? Do you remember? Okay, so total we made $54 today. We tried to do smaller batches just because it was our first day. Yeah, so that was the end of our first day, and we'll see you guys Monday. Good morning, it's Monday, and we are currently on our way to a Publix. Yeah, we actually did a batch yesterday, Sunday. We weren't planning on it, but we saw one come up for $27, another batch for 2 orders, so I went ahead and did that. It was pretty easy. The people were pretty nice at the door, so yeah, I am wearing the same shirt because, you know, washing machines exist, so just in case anyone asks. But yeah, back again with Autumn, and we're currently on our way to a Publix, so we'll see what we can get when we get there. Alright guys, so we just made it to the Publix, and now we're just scrolling through our phone just to see what's here and available. Yeah. Alright guys, so we went to a Publix and there were none available here, so we're driving to where? To a Kroger? Yeah, so we're driving to a Kroger. It's about only 6 minutes away, so that's fine. And yeah, we got 2 different orders to do, and yeah. Alright, so we just put some hand sanitizer in our hands, so we all ready. Alright, let's go in. Gotta keep it clean. 2 orders, so 2 baggies. Roll out. So something that's important to do when you're shopping for Instacart is to try and do cold stuff last, because it'll defrost a lot quicker. So no, I'm talking to the camera. But yeah, so that's what we're doing now, is we're just getting produce, and then we'll get canned items, and yeah, it kind of already tells you like what aisles to go to, so it's really helpful. I have a bruise forming on my wrist from constantly doing this with my phone. Right on 2 packs. What color?
They have, it has to be a 10-ounce bag.
Just see if there's a replacement, I guess. Alright. So if you're shopping with another Instacart shopper, it's good to have 2 buggies to separate the orders if you're doing 2 different batches at the same time. I got dairy. Make sure and check the dates too. You always want to get the... Sorry, I got distracted by Starburst yogurt. That sounds interesting. But you always want to get the latest date out. And it's saying we need to authorize with Kroger. Don't know what to do here. So we ended up just waiting for like 5 minutes and it went away. So hopefully things are good now. Now we're gonna check out and be on our way to the customer's house. Bags, insulated bags. I'm gonna put the cold stuff in there so it stays colder longer. Like that. Alright guys, gotta put more hand sanitizer on. Let's go ahead and head over to the first order's house. So the address led us to a assistant living home, and it keeps taking us in circles. We don't know where to go. Poor Autumn. Alright guys, so Autumn dropped off both orders and now we're on our way to an Aldi. So I'm gonna try screen recording the process of me scanning the batches with the app and stuff like that. So we'll see how that goes. Just got here.
Arrived.
Alright guys, so since I do not have a camera to record myself doing the batches, I figured I'd try screen recording to really show you guys like how the app works and stuff like that. So the first thing I like to do is just copy paste this message from my notes to the person. I just think it's something really nice and friendly to do, but just say hi and show them that they can communicate anything that they need with you, and that'll go a long way. So after I send that message, I'll go back to the shopping list and kind of just scroll through all the items and see what is perishable and what isn't. And I'll usually go to the produce first because that's usually like the first thing that's in the store when you walk in. So I'll get that stuff first. So the lady actually responded to my message and asked if I could add some pull-ups to the list, so that was pretty awesome. And I also made sure to ask if she wouldn't mind swapping the non-organic blueberries for the organic since they ran out. So since they were out of blackberries, I clicked the can't find item, and then she actually had raspberries as a replacement item, so I went ahead and swapped that. So after I finished collecting all the produce, I actually went back to the organic blueberries and took a picture of it, including the price because that's always good to do, and I sent it to the customer, and she actually ended up having me swap the non-organic blueberries for the organic blueberries. And now I'm just scanning some honey and stuff like that, just doing a little scanny scan. Also, if the customer has multiples of one item requested, make sure that it is actually on the shelf and in good condition, isn't bent or anything, before you go and add and confirm and put it in your cart. Here you can see I found the diaper aisle, and now I'm just taking a picture of it and sending it to her so she can see what's on the shelf. So this is why good communication is key, because they actually didn't have the size that she was wanting, so she actually ended up settling for the 3 taller instead. And I also made sure to ask her what color she wanted, and she preferred the blue, so I made sure to grab that as well. So now I'm just getting some eggs. You always want to make sure before you put them in your cart that the eggs are good. Y'all should know this. Alright y'all, don't judge my blondness, okay? So she asked for 2 chickens that weighed 11 pounds total, so I had to get my calculator out, you know, and it's always better to go under the pound that she requested versus over, because that'll cost more money, obviously. So yeah, now we're just heading to checkout. Got everything. So for those of you who are interested in the numbers, this is what I made. I only did 4 days and I only completed 5 batches total. I definitely could have done more, but I was kind of just taking it easy for my first week. And yeah, this is what I made. I think $132 was still some pretty good money, and yeah. Alright guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed coming along with us to do some batches with Instacart. It was definitely a fun experience. If you guys want me to do more of like a detailed like tip video, I'll definitely try to do that. I only film with my phone when I go out and do vlogs, so I'm not sure how I would record myself do Instacart, but I can definitely try and put a video together if you want more tips. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I definitely had a lot of fun doing this. This is definitely something I'm going to do on the side if I need some extra money. It's definitely fun and really easy to do. It's pretty self-explanatory, so the best advice I can think of to give is just, you know, do frozen and refrigerated stuff last. When you pick produce, always try and pick the best looking produce. You know, don't get anything with bruises or anything like that unless they specify it for brown or, you know, bananas or something like that. Always try and get like milk with the latest date and stuff like that. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Make sure and leave some video suggestions down in the description box, down in the comments below, and give this video a huge thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.